Hey everybody, Nathan Masters here with the 7th and final video of the Constellation build in LEGO Digital Designer. We are almost at 1,000 pieces. This is a nice long project for a rainy day. So yeah, the one thing I've noticed as I've built through this is really this is something you could build with a decently sized LEGO collection, especially if you've got some older, if you've been stocking up on plates and bricks and things like that. Because really this model is really plate heavy, bricks and slopes, not a lot of newer pieces in here because it's an older model. So look through your collection, and if you can build this, I would say go for it. It's a nice little display piece, and I'm about to finish it up in this video. So let's do that. What's left here? Not a whole lot, just a little bit of finishing details on the deck. Looks like maybe some lifeboats hanging on the side. Of course, in the real model, there are strings that you will loop through all these holes here, and that kind of helps hold things together. But we won't do the strings. We're just going to go ahead and wrap it up, and then show you guys a few things that LEGO Digital Designer can do in terms of counting pieces and that kind of thing. So let's do it. So here is the final little section. We're going to duplicate this quick here, and these have an interesting kind of placement. Let's see if I can get this. So based on the instructions, I'm seeing this kind of just sitting in place. Let's see. Just kind of right before this jump, step back right there. Not on the sail, yeah. And that bottom plate lights up green. Okay, I think that's where it goes. That's what the instructions look like. I'm gonna go with it. Get the one in the back. Come on. There we go. Oh, not too much trouble. I think that's okay. Yeah, that's about it, guys. The USS Constellation, the digital designer model clocking in right at 999 pieces. So not an exact count for the set because I did make some modifications for the cannons. But yeah, it's going to be pretty close to 1,000 pieces altogether. Double check the instructions here one more time. I don't have the sticker for the base, obviously, or the strings. I think that's wrapped up. I really do. Cool. One more thing to do here with these sails. You guessed it, I'm going to go ahead and pivot these. And yeah, let's do that. Just use this preset here. Might be a little strong. I don't know. I think that looks alright. Let's tone it back down. We'll say something in there, maybe. Bring that down a bit. And last but not least, this rotation tool is really nice because you basically what you do is you select the piece that it's going to rotate doesn't really rotate about anything else in the whole section, and then it just assumes, okay, you want to move this whole section, so it'll select everything here, and then it rotates this all at once with the same feature. So that brings that right around. And yeah, that's it. That is the Constellation in LEGO Digital Designer. 7 videos, a couple hours on my end, a little bit shorter for you guys. So let's go ahead and look at some of the Digital Designer tools here. I think the one that is mostly useful for me, so what you're going to do is in the single selection mode, there's several options down here, and you're going to have, this last one is the color and shape selection tool. Basically what this does is you click any piece and LEGO Digital Designer says, okay, you've chosen a 2x2 black plate. There's 18 of these in the model and they're highlighted for you. So you can go ahead and see where all of those are. What this is really helpful for is if you do build a model like this in LEGO Digital Designer, especially in MOC. This is going to tell you how many of each type of piece you need and in what color. So the color and shape selection tool is going to do this. If you want to look at everything with the same color, you can just go to the third one in here, just the color. I'll do black again. 626 black pieces in the model. How about red? 68 red, 51 yellow, 151 white, 103 light gray, and I think that's the only colors. We've got black, white, yellow, red, and light gray. 5 different colors. I believe that's it for the model. Shape selection tool is the other, the other side of the coin. Okay, show me all of the 2x2s. So now we have, doesn't matter which color, 2x2s, black, white, yellow. I don't think there's any yellow, but you get the idea. 42 2x2s in the model. So those are the 3 really useful ones. Again, this shape and color, in my opinion, being the most useful. So you can just go right in and say, alright, how about these 2x8 black plates, 51. Alright, 1x8 black brick, 6 of those. Okay, how about down here in the hole, a 2x8 black brick, 14 of those. Oh, how about these cannons? We're going to need 38 1x1 round in light gray. So that's just a really fast, speedy way to identify exactly how many of each piece you have in the model. And once you have this built up, it's as easy as a couple of clicks. So I recommend using that, especially for MOCs if you're looking to order parts so that you can actually build it and have a physical model. That's when it's most handy for me. So yeah, I guess next step here is to do that all the way through, kind of see what it would take to build this. I think I might be able to build this with what I have. I'll definitely keep you posted if I do that. But on the other than that, I'm going to call this video series done. Thanks for watching along, guys, and hope you had fun. I know I did. See you in the next one.